Imagine facing a creature that can weigh up to 440 pounds and stand almost 6 feet tall. Meet the gorilla, the largest of the living primates. These remarkable beings roam the dense forest of Central Africa, demonstrating a physical presence that's both awe-inspiring and intimidating. Gorillas are categorized into two main species, the eastern and the western gorillas, each with their own unique subspecies. Their massive size and strength are matched by their profound connection to their lush, forested homes. These gentle giants hold more than just immense strength and impressive size. What does a typical day for a gorilla look like? You might be surprised by the simplicity and complexity of their daily routines. As the first light of dawn touches the dense canopy of the forest, gorillas begin their day. These majestic creatures spend most of their waking hours in search of food. A gorilla's diet is predominantly vegetarian, feasting on leaves, stems, fruit, and occasionally indulging in a termite or two for protein. Living in tightly knit groups known as troops, these primates are led by an imposing figure, the silverback. This dominant male not only directs the troop's movements, but also plays a crucial role in resolving conflicts and protecting the group from threats. Throughout the day, when they are not foraging, gorillas engage in grooming each other, which strengthens their social bonds and maintains peace within the troop. Rest periods are common too, with the group settling down in leafy beds they construct on the ground. Despite their peaceful existence, every day is a delicate balance of survival. Gorillas aren't just physically powerful, they communicate in ways that are remarkably sophisticated. Within the dense forests they call home, gorillas use a rich tapestry of vocalizations, body gestures, and facial expressions to converse with one another. Vocalizations vary widely among gorillas, from soft grunts while eating, which seem to signal contentment, to the intimidating screams and roars used during displays of dominance. These sounds are crucial as they help maintain the hierarchy within the group and prevent physical confrontations. Body language also plays a vital role. For instance, a gorilla might beat its chest to show strength and assert dominance without resorting to actual fighting. This not only impresses potential mates but also maintains order within the troop. Facial expressions are equally telling. A simple furrow of the brow or a baring of teeth can convey emotions from anger to playfulness, helping to strengthen bonds or ward off threats. Understanding each other is key to their survival, much like in our human world. But not all is well in the world of gorillas. Their very survival hangs in a precarious balance. The lush forests that gorillas call home are shrinking at an alarming rate. Deforestation, driven by logging and the clearing of land for agriculture, robs these majestic creatures of their natural habitat. As forests dwindle, gorillas are forced into smaller, fragmented areas, making it harder for them to find food, mate, and ultimately, survive. Poaching poses another grim threat. Despite international laws against it, gorillas are hunted for their meat, and infants are captured for the illegal pet trade. Each loss not only diminishes the population, but also disrupts the intricate social structures within gorilla groups. Diseases, too, are decimators. Outbreaks like Ebola have the potential to wipe out large numbers of gorillas swiftly. Moreover, their close genetic relation to humans makes gorillas susceptible to many of the same illnesses that afflict us, further endangering their populations. Each threat adds a layer of danger to these already vulnerable giants. Knowing about the plight of gorillas is only the first step. Action is what truly matters. One can start by supporting wildlife conservation organizations that are dedicated to protecting gorilla habitats. Engaging in and promoting ecotourism also plays a crucial role, as it provides a sustainable way for communities to value and preserve their natural resources. Furthermore, spreading awareness about the challenges these magnificent creatures face can ignite a broader conservation movement. Every effort counts in the fight to save our majestic relatives in the wild. Their future partly rests in our hands. Today we've journeyed into the world of gorillas, uncovering aspects of their lives, their communication, and the threats they face. These majestic creatures, often dubbed the giants among us, lead lives that are both profound and precarious. A day in the life of a gorilla is a delicate balance of social interactions, foraging for food, and nurturing their young, all within the dense foliage of forests that they call home. Their means of communication are as complex as they are fascinating. Through a series of grunts, barks, and even body gestures, gorillas convey a myriad of messages and emotions to one another, demonstrating a depth of social intelligence that is truly remarkable. Yet despite their grandeur and intelligence, gorillas face relentless threats from habitat destruction, poaching, and diseases. These challenges underscore the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect these magnificent beings. As we continue to share our planet with these incredible beings, let their survival and flourishing be a testament to our efforts and compassion.